Hello YouTube, just made a Homebrew channel theme. Yep, here's my loader. If you want your own Homebrew channel theme, all you need is a Nintendo Wii, a SD card, and a computer. First we gotta do is extract the themes folder. Extract all. Next. What to do here is first we gotta delete it. Yes. Then you need to add your own background or theme. Then you gotta rename it. Make sure the dimensions are stayed the same if you're replacing one of the themes, because if it's not, it will stay as default once you load the theme. This is what it should look like. You can also do it with the icon too. You can replace the original with your own custom icon. So yeah, if you're done, just make a zip folder and draw all of this into the zip folder, all your custom themes. After you put all 33 themes in the zip file, just delete the themes folder and you're all set. Make sure you move the zip themes folder where the meta and the icon is. Make sure you delete the theme folder. And that's it. After you're done replacing the themes, just insert your SD card, drag the themes into your apps folder, like that. Make sure you got the icons, the meta, and the theme too. Remove your SD card, insert it into your Nintendo Wii system, start the Homebrew channel, and right down there's my very own Homebrew channel theme. Let's see if it works. And yes, it is. Now you got your very own Homebrew channel background. Hope you guys enjoy it.